Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a 7-inch super slim camera monitor, a Neewer, I think it is, a Chinese thing. Links are in the video description. I can't actually remember who it's from. It's just a cheap ass Chinese thing. So it slides off Apple-ish. It does look cheapish looking. It's a 1280 by 800, so it's sort of 720p, but slightly squarer, I think. So what's this? This is a thing, a matte box. Here we go. Oh yeah, yeah, that's pretty nice. Buttons feel good. You can hear that. Nice, satisfying clicks. Oh yeah, clicky. Got your protection scheme. Neewer, that was it. So I think they're just a super cheap Chinese brand that make cheap stuff for video production. You've got a 1/4 inch thing, like a tripod screw on there. You've got your Sony battery in there. USB upgrade. So you've got a USB Mini B. You've got OSD controller, headphones. So whether you can get audio as well, I'm not sure. AV, an AV cable, HDMI, and a DC in port there. So you get an instruction manual in glorious black and white. This is in Pigeon Chinese. It's high brightness, low power consumption, stable performance, and emits no radiation advantages. It's with HDMI input, which makes it wide application. Casing compact, simple operation and portable. My cheap LED lights flashing. I think this is a little bit brighter. The monitor built-in battery plate. You can use the power adapter supply or use the external battery. So it's sort of Pigeon Chinese. So if you like Pigeon Chinese, then you'll like it. So you get a nice selection of dongles here, unlike the MacBook Pro. So the AV cable. So if you're connecting to a analog source, you've got a HDMI to HDMI. It's probably about a meter long. You get a plastic thing and a screw. Looks like a tripod mount. Very cheap looking. You get that, a bit of plastic, and you get, I imagine this is the DC power source in here. No, this is the hot shoe adapter. So that will screw on there. So that can screw on there, and then that will go on your cold shoe. And then you've got a screwing tool and a nut. So what I've bought with this articulating arm thing, which I'm going to screw on my Manfrotto tripod, because I'm just using this for a bit of green screen. So kind of does that. Screw that down. So what I'm going to do is put this on a Manfrotto 755 BX. Sorry, my light just went out. So this arm on the Manfrotto tripod, it takes a 3/8, needs a male 3/8 thing. So this is an adapter. It's like a standard tripod screw, 1/4 to 3/8 adapter. So that will screw into the Manfrotto tripod, and then this stick straight into there. So there we go, and that's it. That's sort of how. So that's going to be on the tripod, and so on the tripod it's going to be kind of like that. This monitor as well, it uses these Sony batteries, which are fairly standard, NPF960. You can actually get cheapo 20, like 10 quid each I think, versions of these, but if you want to make sure you've got the standard one. So that goes in like that. Power on. Field monitor. I'll just turn my exposure down. So there we go, you're getting a beautiful blue screen menu. It's quite nice. It's very responsive for a cheapo Chinese thing. Whether I think you need to fiddle with it and try and understand the Chinese. Yeah, it's the menu's responsive. Not sure what you're doing. So there we go. So you got, I'll play around with this anyway. So what I also got for my camera, it's a GH4, it's a Panasonic. You just need a fast micro HDMI, which looks like that. There's a micro HDMI. I'm not sure you can see that. To a regular HDMI. So just check your camera will fit, and obviously you need some batteries. Lasts about 3 or 4 hours, one of these. Whatever your setup is really. Obviously it comes with a cold shoe, so you can just put it on top of your camera anyway. So as you can see, it's up to 3 hours and the camera has turned off. This is using a third-party battery. Yeah, there's no battery left in this camera, and it's still going. So yeah, this will probably just keep going. So I've been testing out this monitor. It's been going for almost 7 hours with one of these Sony replacement battery things. It's a third-party £10 one. Yeah, so there's no input on the actual monitor itself. There's no signal, so I will test it out with the GH4. If anything changes, then if it's a different, maybe there'll be less power if there's an actual signal coming in. But I'm going to stop it now because 7 hours is plenty of time anyway. So.